Hello, we are TEL Mechatronics. From now on, we'll show you each port function of the device and how to use the port with codices. We will explain the digital output and PWM in this video. Before we start, please prepare like this. Run the codices and create a project as we explained in the previous video. Now we will practice with the port functions. Let's start with digital output first. As you saw in the previous preparation, the device outputs the digital output by pressing button on the cube. We will verify if the digital output with buttons work properly by connecting an LED. Run CAN setup tool and set up the port. Cube has two digital output pins, pin 8 and 9. Select one of them and choose DO between the two DO and PWM. Check the device connection and download this setting to the device. And go back to codices and map the digital output pin according to the variable mapping method that we explained in the last video. Also map a variable for one of 5 buttons on the cube. And go to the POU named PLC, PRG, and write code like this. Press the build icon or F11 to proceed the build process. Check the message window at the bottom of the screen to check if there is no error. Now, connect the device to codices. Go to the Device tab and open the Scan network to scan the device. If the device is normally connected, scanning device is working well. If the device is not scanned, scan again after turning the power off and on again, or after turning the gateway off and on in codices gateway sys tray. If these steps are not working, please check if there is something missed in the gateway setting step from the last video. You can see the information of the connected device once scanning and selecting the target device. And click the login button on the top of the screen to download the program to the device. Click the Start button to run the program after download finished. Next step is to use PWM. It's the same with the way we set the digital output, but selected PWM instead of a DO. Uploaded this setting to the device and back to the codices. Open I/O drive and move the map variable from DO channel to PWM channel to map variable to PWM. The data type of PWM is word, and input value is from 0 to 100. And go to PLC, PRG, and assign the variable to a number from 0 to 100 instead of true or false. Click the build icon and F11 to check if there is no error. Log in and download to the device and run the program. If pressing the button, LED will be light on. The brightness of LED will change according to input value since we set it as PWM. The closer to 0 to the value is, the dimmer of LED is, and the closer to 100 the value is, the lighter the LED is. Please change the value of PWM input and check how the brightness changes. In this video, we explain how to set and use digital output and PWM by connecting LED to cube. In next video, we will practice digital input and analog input pins. If you have any further question, please send an email to this address. Thank you.